We are guiding you on a walking tour along the most vibrant area at the city center of Thessaloniki in Greece, Ladadika. Ladadika is a historic district in Thessaloniki, Greece, known for its vibrant nightlife and array of restaurants, tavernas, and bars. Once an area filled with olive oil vendors, Ladadika means shops selling oil in Greek. It has transformed into one of the city's most popular entertainment districts. Its cobblestone streets and traditional architecture create a charming atmosphere, drawing locals and tourists alike to enjoy Greek cuisine, live music, and a lively ambience. Remember to enable subtitles for the best viewing experience. The area is full of lively tavernas, bistros, and espresso bars, all housed in former olive oil shops. There are also dance clubs in the area, making it a great place to spend a night out. Here are some of the things you can do in Ladadika. Sample the local cuisine at one of the many tavernas. Enjoy a drink at a bar or cafe. Dance the night away at a club. People watch in one of the many squares. If you're looking for a fun and lively place to spend an evening in Thessaloniki, Ladadika is the perfect spot. The district has undergone gentrification since the 1980s and is now known for its vibrant nightlife, with numerous bars, nightclubs, restaurants, and pubs. This is a midday tour, but as the night comes, the area comes even more alive. We have divided this walking tour into 4 parts. If you wish, you can skip to the part you want via the created chapters. Naturally, we suggest you watch the whole video if you don't want to miss all the practical info per area. We started our walking tour at the lower Ladadika and then moved to the upper Ladadika and the nearby Athonos Area. As you can see, the area is characterized by narrow paved streets, neoclassical buildings, and colorful 2-story buildings with wide rectangular windows. Ladadika used to be one of the most deprived areas of Thessaloniki, but has been transformed into a lively district full of restaurants, bars, and coffee shops. It is a pedestrianized area that combines the charm of antiquity with the rhythm of modern times. The district is particularly popular for its culinary offerings, with a wide variety of restaurants and traditional taverns. Ladadika is a must-visit destination for both locals and tourists in Thessaloniki. It offers a vibrant atmosphere, a multicultural element, and a wide range of dining and entertainment options. We have more walking tours in Thessaloniki and even aerial videos with practical info about what to visit in the city. For your convenience, we have created a relevant playlist which you can find in the description tab. This video was shot with a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in 10-bit HLG and a stereo natural sound, so you can enjoy 4K HDR on compatible devices. Have you been there? Share your impressions in the comments. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page, Bestravelvideo.com. It seems like we have only covered a small portion of Ladadika so far, but not to worry, there's still much more to see. Let's continue our exploration by first heading to the rest of the lower Ladadika area. After that, we can make our way to the upper Ladadika section. Once we're done there, we can turn right after Aristoteles Square and make our way to the Athonos area. If you're interested in a specific section, feel free to skip ahead using the chapters we've created. This way, you can easily jump to the part you're most excited about. Let's keep going and discover more of the charm and excitement that Ladadika has to offer. If you have any further questions or need more information, please let us know.
Babası var şöyle.
Taverns.